Okay, so down for the last problem for the moment. Okay, so ayun. Ang sabi dito, the force F intersects the x-axis at the distance 1.5 meters to the right of O. Okay? With this moment 2550 counterclockwise. Okay, Newton meter counterclockwise. Well, about point A, its moment is 600 Newton meter clockwise naman. Okay, determine the y-intercept of the force. Guys, pagka sinabing y-intercept, di ba may force tayo? Okay, may force F tayo. This will be your force F. Okay, pag sinabi guys na intercepts, pag hinahanap yung intercept natin, di ba ang intercept natin is, eto, andyan yung mga intercept natin. Ang intercept natin is, what is the y-intercept? Ay, wait lang. Okay. Di ba meron tayong, makukuha natin si y-intercept when x is equal to 0, makukuha natin yung y-intercept. Tama. Si x-intercept naman is when y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, your x-intercept is equal to, ito, based on the problem, ito, when y is equal to 0, your x-intercept is equal to 1.5. And then 0. Kaso, meron tayong nawawala. When x is equal to 0, ano ngayon yung y-intercept? So, etong b na to yung hinahanap natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, b yung nawawala. Okay? Ngayon, yun yung hinahanap sa atin. Saka yung magnitude ba? Oo, yung magnitude ng force F intersects determine the y-intercept. Yun lang pala, y-intercept lang hinahanap sa atin. Wala naman pala yung magnitude of force. Okay? Ngayon guys, malaya kasi kayo mag-take ng moment kung saan kayo magte-take ng moment. Okay? Ngayon, tingnan niyo about point A. Okay? About point A, ito yung point A natin. Okay? About point A, may mapapalitaw ba tayo dito? Kaya, okay? About point A, guys. Okay? Ang sabi, ang moment daw about point A is 600 Newton meter clockwise. Meaning, 600 Newton meter yung ating moment clockwise. Ngayon, kung ito yung perpendicular distance ng force F mo, medyo mahirap na naman yan. So, technically, kailangan mo ulit humanap ng component. Tama? So, yung fx natin, di ba dalawa yan? We have fx and then fy. Yung fx natin is magpapass through dito sa may point kung saan tayo magte-take ng moment kung i-consider natin yung moment at A. Therefore, wala siyang makikreate na moment. Mali yun. Zero na yun. Hindi yun mali. Zero yun. Okay? How about itong Fy? May makikreate bang perpendicular distance yan from point A? Meron. Ayan o. Tama. So, ibig sabihin pala that if we have a clockwise, sabi dyan, if we have a clockwise moment of 600 Newton meter, tama? Meron daw tayong clockwise moment na 600, wait lang. Meron tayong clockwise moment na 600 Newton meter. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon, this is equal to, pag nag-take tayo ng moment, hindi ba this will be equal to Fy times, ilan yung perpendicular distance nito? Ilan yan? Diba? This is 0.5. Ayun, nakalagay yun. Ito, 0.5. Okay. Ibig sabihin pala, this is equal to Fy times 0.5. Okay? And clockwise ba yun? Oo, clockwise. Ayun, iikot na clockwise sa pag yung Fy mo. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, positive. Now, wala nga tayo fx. So, lagay mo, plus fx equal to 0. Di 0 lang din yan. O, di ibig sabihin, 600 is equal to Fy 0.5. Okay? Divide both sides by 0.5. Maka-cancel 0.5. Yung Fy natin is equal to 1,200 Newton. Okay, so yan yung Fy natin. Ngayon, okay, hindi natin alam, hindi natin mapalitaw kung alin yung B. Ito, kasi hindi natin siya magamit. Okay, baka pwede naman, dito mo naman pasingawin yung forces natin at this point. Okay, ngayon, pag by principle of transmissibility, habaan mo yan. By principle of transmissibility, habaan mo rin ito. Okay? In this case, guys, from point A ulit tayo. For example, para malumitaw lang si B ba, kumbaga, mapalitaw lang natin. From point B, okay, makaka-create ka ulit ng perpendicular distance dito naman. Okay? Again, this is your Fy. Fy pa rin yan kasi equal lang yan, may principle of transmissibility. Dito naman, makaka-create ka ng perpendicular distance, tama. Okay. So, in this case, natin yan, makakapag-extract tayo ng equation dyan. Again, dun pa rin tayo magte-take ng moment sa A, ano. So, 600 Newton meter is equal yung Fy. Ano yung Fy? Ito yung Fy natin. Ilan yung perpendicular distance niyan? So, mula dito hanggang dito is 1.5. Tama? E mula dito hanggang dito sa may point A, ilan? 0.5. So, ang total na perpendicular distance niya is 2. Tama? For Fy. At iikot yung Fy mo about A ng paganito pa rin. Yung force mo, iikot ng paganyan pa rin. Tama? So, clockwise, so positive. So, ibig sabihin, this is positive Fy times 2. Ngayon naman, itong Fx mo, ang Fx natin na to, ayan ngayon yan, di ba? From point A, iikot naman yan ng counterclockwise. Tama? Sabihin, minus Fx. Tama? Minus. So, technically, this is minus Fx. Ngayon, ano yung perpendicular distance niya? Ang perpendicular distance niya is mula dito hanggang dito. Di ba yun yung B din? Okay, tapatan nyo lang. Oh, di ba? So, yan yung B. And then, alam natin that the Fy is 1,200. So, technically, this is 600 is equal to 2,400 or 1,200 times 2 is 2,400 minus Fxb. Okay? And then, palitawin natin sa Fxb. This is equal to 2,400 minus 600 is 1,800. So, ito na ngayon yung ating equation 1. Okay? Ngayon naman, dalawa yung unknown natin dito. This is Fx tsaka yung B. So, technically, kulang pa tayo ng isa equation para mapalitaw natin yung mapalitaw natin yung hinahanap natin. So, ngayon, baka pwede naman guys na gamitin natin yung isa pang given. The 2,550 Newton meter counterclockwise from B naman. O, magte-take naman tayo ng moment dito sa B. Okay? And again, guys, dito na lang siguro natin tingnan. Ito na lang portion na to. Okay? Ayan na lang portion na to. Dito na lang ulit natin pasingawin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung Fy natin is 0. Dahil dun tayo magka-pass through yung Fy mo if dito ka magte-take ng moment. Diba? Tama? Ito yun. Magka-pass through dun. O, ibig sabihin, alang moment yan. So, ibig sabihin, 0 na agad yung Fy mo. Di Fx na lang. Yung Fx mo ngayon, iikot naman from point B, from dito, iikot naman yan ng, ito yung, force mo yun. Iikot naman yan ng pag-ganon, di ba? Which is counterclockwise. Ngayon, okay, sabi dyan that yung moment mo daw is 2,500 o counterclockwise positive 2,550 Newton meter counterclockwise. So we have 2,550 is simply equal to Fy natin is wala nga moment arm yan, so 0 plus, bakit plus? Kasi counterclockwise positive tayo, so plus Fx. Okay, so Fx multiplied by, ano ngayon yung perpendicular distance niya? Mula dito dapat hanggang dito yan. Okay, ilan yun? Diba? That's 1 plus B. Ay no, ito yung 1. Tapos paplusan mo ng B. Tama. So, ibig sabihin, we have 1 plus B. Ngayon, 1 plus B. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung palilitawin natin to, okay, palilitawin natin yan. This is equal to 2,550 Fx is equal to 2,550 over 1 plus B. So, this will be your equation 2. Okay, substitute equation 1 to 2 or either way, o bahala ka, either way, sige, 2 to 1 na lang. Dahil yun lang may nakapalitaw sa atin. Substitute equation 2 to 1 simultaneously. Therefore, yung fx natin dito is equal to 2,550 over 1 plus b. Fx, di ba? Ito yun. May b pa tayo na ilalagay dito sa labas. So, b is equal to 1,800. Ang lilitaw sa atin na value ni b is equal to 2,550 over 1 plus b multiplied by b equal to 1,800. Shift solve, this is equal to 2.4 meters. So, this will be 2.4 meters. So, yan yung sagot natin for y-intercept. Okay? Kung gusto mo kunin yung fx, okay lang din naman. Therefore, fx is equal to from equation 2, this is 2,550 over 1 plus 2.4. So, yung fx natin, this is equal to 2,550 over 1 plus 2.4. This is equal to 750. So, this is equal to 750 Newton. Okay. Kukunin mo lang naman yan. Okay. Kung pinapahanap. Okay. So, that's for sample problem. Last sample problem. For your assignment, guys, take note of this. Tatlo. Okay. So, take note of this. Tatlo yan. Practice natin yan. Okay. So, yan. Okay. Screenshot.